Samsung has just launched its brand new Galaxy Watch 8 series, which includes the Galaxy Watch 8 and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. While the Classic brings back the beloved physical rotating bezel, today we're focusing entirely on the standard Galaxy Watch 8, which has received a much more comprehensive redesign and genuinely feels like a big step forward for Samsung. Right from the moment you put it on your wrist, the Galaxy Watch 8 feels different. It's slimmer, sleeker, and has a brand new cushion-shaped design that's distinct yet stylish. Unlike previous generations that felt like minor upgrades, this time Samsung has delivered a watch that looks and feels fresh, not just from the outside but from the inside as well. The new cushion form resembles the shape seen on the Watch Ultra but refined in a way that's more compact and comfortable. In fact, it's 11% thinner than last year's model, making it noticeably more wearable. The display is still circular, which keeps that classic smartwatch appeal, but it's brighter than ever. With a peak brightness of up to 3000 nits, it's incredibly easy to see outdoors even in direct sunlight. Samsung also added a slightly larger battery, although the overall battery life doesn't seem to have improved much yet. The dynamic lug system has been brought over from the Ultra model, which gives a more secure fit on the wrist, although changing straps using this system can feel a bit fiddly, especially if you've got short nails. But where the Galaxy Watch 8 really steps up is in its software and smart features. This is the first Samsung watch to ship with Wear OS 6 and One UI Watch 6 out of the box, and it brings a whole new way to interact with your device. The new Now bar makes it easy to jump back into whatever app or workout you had running in the background. You can also expect redesigned glanceable views, better widget stacking, app suggestions, and other thoughtful tweaks that make day-to-day usage smoother. The most exciting feature by far is the addition of Google Gemini on your wrist. This assistant can handle more than just basic commands. In a quick test, we asked it to find a local gym and text a friend about joining, and it worked. While it was a bit sluggish in our demo, this integration has huge potential to change how we use smartwatches for real tasks. Fitness and health tracking have also seen meaningful improvements. Samsung added a new running coach feature that evaluates your performance through a 12-minute test run and then assigns you one of 160 personalized training plans. These plans adapt depending on how you perform, giving you smarter, more effective training suggestions. There's also a brand new antioxidant index that estimates the level of carotenoids, an antioxidant from fruits and vegetables, in your body by reading your thumb. It's a creative addition, and while early results need more validation, it's another step in Samsung's push toward deeper health insights. Samsung hasn't stripped away anything either. All the features you'd expect from a premium smartwatch are still here. You get advanced heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking with apnea detection, body composition analysis, music control, camera viewfinder, third-party apps, full-color maps with turn-by-turn navigation, and 32 GB of storage. It's a complete package for those who want more than just notifications on their wrist. From my short hands-on experience, the Galaxy Watch 8 feels like the most ambitious and exciting Samsung smartwatch in years. It combines an eye-catching new design with genuinely useful upgrades both in software and health tracking. Sure, battery life is still an area for improvement, and the dynamic lug system might need getting used to, but overall, Samsung seems to have nailed it. That wraps up our first review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. We'll be back with a full in-depth review after more testing, but based on our early impressions, this looks like a major win for Samsung and a real contender for the best smartwatch of 2025.